Hello everyone, I'm Andrei and you are watching the school stream. And today, I'm sorry, I have some technical issues. So today we're going to present you first week and then we will answer your questions. So let's start from the presentation. Anna, the stage is yours.
Okay, hello guys. Andrei, could you please share my screen?
Of
I
course.
know you can do it. Yep. I see. I hope that guys you can see my screen. Just add plus or something else in the chat. Otherwise, I will tell you about something without sharing.
At least we can see. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah,
yeah,
I see
we see.
pluses. Okay,
We see
guys.
pluses.
Let's get started. First of all, you can see my screen with the Rolling Scope application. And today I'm going to show you several important tabs and briefly tell about these tabs. And I hope that we can put a lot of attention to the tasks. And let's get started from the tab called scheduler. This is important tab because here you can see the task for current week or active task available, and also you can see future. It's tasks that have been added to the application but will be available a bit later. And let's get started from this week. For this week, you will have three assignments. First of all, it's test. It's test about uh, your familiars with the Rolling Scopes application. To pass this test, you must read the documentation, and after that, I truly believe you will get 100% for this test. The next one is CV Markdown. Let me open this task. I hope it's big enough and you can see the text. Your task is create your CV, but you should use only Markdown language. And why?
Sorry, Anna.
Yep.
Do you sharing GitHub pages?
Uh,
Because
yep. Let me draw.
oh,
Okay, I see. Thank you, Andre. And one more time, your task is create your CV, but you should use only Markdown. It's important because in future you will have one of the requirement to format your pull request, but to make it readable and understandable for reviewers, you will use Markdown. So it's a possibility to deal with Markdown, to know a bit more and use Markdown to make a bit more beautiful your text. Within CV, you should add several important things. It's your full name, contact information, brief introduction, describe your skills, add some code examples. It might be a piece of your code, it might be a task from Codevars, doesn't matter. If you have just describe some your work experience, your educational and English language level. Here you can read some information related to recommendation, technical requirements, and repository and pull requests. But please pay attention. This task should be submitted via auto test. Okay. Um go back to the application and let's find the auto test here. Here at the top, and you should choose the task you are going to submit, it might be test or Markdown Git. And here you submit your task and see the result of this task. And then let's go to the GitHub. And important thing related to this task, you should do it via your public repository. It means your own GitHub repository. Please pay attention of requirements related to commit message, uh, and um, it's mandatory thing because uh, our auto test will check the amount of commits and how these commits have been written. And finally, you should publish your CV because it's a possibility to deal with publishing, to deal with the GitHub pages. And that's all. The maximum score is 100, 50 if you met the repository requirements, and other 50 are due to correct commits. And that's all related to this task. Let's back to REST application and let's go to score tab for this time. I just show you the another way to find the task for this week. Uh, it's a part of our application where you can see your current score and also tasks. If you click on this icon, you can see also you can see the deadline for this task and the maximum score. As we already seen the Markdown Git, let me open HTML, CSS Git, and okay, I hope you can see. It's a pretty similar task. You also should create your CV, but this time you should do it using HTML, CSS, and GitHub as well. And also you should do it in your public repository and you proceed working with the same repository, but you should add new content. And also, please do not miss the requirement related to workflow. And the main important thing, this task will be checked via cross check. Okay, let's back to the application and find where is the cross check button tab. Here, the cross check tab, please press this button. You can see the drop down with the list of the task. You should choose the current one called the HTML CSS. And here you should put your solution URL. After the deadline will be open the period for the review. So you should go to the review tab, also choose the appropriate task, and here you will find the list of students for review. And you should do it before the deadline of cross-check. Let's go to the scheduler tab, goes to the future, and here you can see the cross-check review period will start from 28th of September. Okay, I know the name of months, and will be ended at 3rd of October. Please do not miss this period because after the deadline, it will be impossible to do anything. Okay, guys, that's all from my side. I hope this week is pretty easy. It's time to refresh your mind and prepare to the next tasks. And let me share some information, some secret for you, let's say. I would recommend you to make your HTML CSS CV as beautiful as you can, and put here the place for your real tasks. What it mean? At the end of this current qualifying stage of short track, you will have amazing task for your portfolio, and I believe you definitely will have something amazing to add. And we are, how to say, our imagination were working so cool, and we are prepared for you something cool. And I excited to share this information, but we'll do it a bit later. So just believe, you need your CV, and you will use it. I hope when you will find a job or apply for a job. And that's all from my side today. Andrei, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Anna. Guys, now we're delighted to answer your questions. So if you have, please type it in the chat. One more thing about
Andrei, could you please back our faces to the screen?
oh, sorry. Uh,
I know we are kind of incognito, but
um,
thank you.
yeah. Looks like it is a technical issue because our tool still thinks that we're sharing the our screen. So that's why let me yeah now it looks better. So guys, while we are waiting your questions, so please be advised that deadlines in applications, I mean the exact number, exact hour, it depends on your time zone, and please check it. Please check the exact deadline before you finished the task. Okay. And let's start from our first question. Is the course in English at all? Yes, the course is in English, but it's not a course, but yeah, all tasks and all communications in English.
We have students from different location, and English is only one language, and that our students familiar with.
Okay, the next question. Why do I need solution URL? Please repeat. So basically, we have to check your solution. I mean, if we via cross-check or via test, that's why we need your solution to check your work. And go to the next one. How much time is given to complete the task? You can check this information in your RS app application.
I guess it's question related to a person how much time he or she should spend on a task. I'm not sure, but if the question is about how much time you may spend on this task, it's dependent on your initial level. Because for one student with the good enough technical level, it might take, let's say, 5 hours, and for other students, the same time may take 20 hours. So it's depend on you. But if the question related to deadlines the same for everyone.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. How long will this course be? We already spoke about this. It will be about 8 weeks.
It's
This stage,
qualifying stage.
yeah, this stage,
Then around 3-4 months is for the main part of short track, including framework.
yeah. What is cross interview? Cross interview is a really interesting concept, and maybe we should implement this in our course. But we spoke about cross review when our students review solutions of other students. But anyway, you can read you can find more information in our documentation, in our RS docs. Slavomir Maevsky says that he can't register on the platform. I cannot input my location. I cannot select my location. I don't really know what is the problem.
I think
Because
he can write in the chat on Discord, and I will help. Because we need to screenshot something, issue error, not this time.
Thank you, Yulia, for help. Slavomir, please write to Yulia in direct messages, and we will try to find a solution. Hi, when you say URL in CV, HTML, CSS, again.
Yeah, guys, seems I too briefly go through this point. Yeah, I mean URL of deployed task. I'm so sorry. If you look at the task, this information will be in this task, what exactly URL and where you should put this. So seems I had some misunderstanding.
One more question about URL.
I
When do I
guess
get
it's the
URL?
same question. So yep.
Yeah. Okay, so we answered it. Something different. We are allowed using VS Code environment and its plugin to do the Git steps. Yes, of course. Why not?
On the one hand, yes, you can. But on the other hand, when you are at the interview and you may get the question, how you can write the commit message, how do something in the Git bash panel and so on, it's might be hard to answer this question because you used to do it through some features of VS Code, WebStorm, and so on. That's why I would recommend to do it by your hands, by your fingers and your keyboards until you will know each phrases even with closed eyes.
But in general, if you're familiar with the Git, why not?
Yeah, in general, yeah.
Let's return to our previous session. Will there be online lessons? If yes, then what format will they be in? And second, on which days and which time? So guys, we already spoke about changing format of our air school, that we created one educational course, and we created a short track qualifying stage. This is short track qualifying stage, and there will be not lessons. We only check your knowledge and your skills for short track. Thank you.
One more thing. We have two courses. One course is about learning, about improve your technical knowledge, your how to say ability to use JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, and so on. So your knowledge. The second one course called Short Track, where it's about the student who has a lot of knowledge, but has some gaps with a technical, practical task or something else, and for people who are looking for job opportunity. So if you need require some information about some lesson, some technical knowledge, you should go to the main course, not short track one.
Yeah, the registration to the education course will be open till, if I'm not mistaken, 8th of October. So, question about cross review. How do you evaluate it, or we? You will be evaluated, evaluate solutions of other students. It pretty simple simple process. You have requirements for each task, and if a student has done this requirement, the solution, so you just increase their score. That's pretty simple, I think.
For each task, we have evaluation criteria. So you can go through these criteria to know what you should do to get points, and then according to these criteria, check other task. Thank you.
Okay, and go to the next. When will the course appear in the RS app?
It should be appeared as soon as you registered, but if you still not see this course, first of all, check one more time that drop down with courses. Perhaps you have been registered for several courses at the same time, so you just need to open the drop down. The second option, refresh the page or log out and log in one more time. If you still not see the course, please read above about the direct messages or a link to this Discord where you can share your pain and we will try to help you.
Yeah, thank you. I tried to get in for the class, but I can't. So,
frankly speaking, I read this message several times, but I still didn't understand what about it.
We need more information.
Yeah, Toby,
unfortunately,
please.
I'm too. So, if you still have question, please write it one more time. And that now is after short track course will be course JSFE. No.
Two separate courses, and each of them doesn't depend on each other. It's two parallel courses.
Yeah, it's two parallel courses, and JS front end. It is an educational course now, but yeah, after our course qualifying stage will be short track. Yeah, we already discussed about our workflow. After short track should be interview to the company, interview to the project, and interview with HRs, as I remember. Okay, let's go to the next one. As I had an experience in Coursera peer review, I appreciate if you let us know how the cross-evaluation will be checked in case they are not fair.
I know the answer.
Yeah.
This information is published in our documentation. Please read the documentation. It will help you to pass the RSUP test and define the answer of this question.
Yeah. You can absolutely you can find in documentation the question, but if we realize that the cross check is not fair, this checker can be I forgot the word. Let's say that removed from the course, and we also discuss this during our previous stream. For the Markdown and Git task, must CV be only in MD, or can I also use React HTML?
I think it's a bit overhead to use React for CV tasks.
Yeah.
Especially that according to task requirement, you should add Markdown to MD file. I'm not sure that React is able to work in an MD file. I mean, an MD extension of file.
Okay. And next one. At the end of the stage, there will be interview. So is it in online format or is it includes TypeScript? Okay. Yeah, it will be online format. And what about the TypeScript?
Yeah, it's mandatory.
Yeah. So
And one more thing related to online format. Previously, we had experience with offline interview in case the mentor and student at the same location. So basically, it will be online, but it might be cases with offline interview.
So yes for both question. And that's it for this time.
One more thing, I'm not sure. Let's share the question related to campus enrollment. Because I'm from Burak Avcilar. Can you see? Hi, I haven't seen any enrollments in EPAM campus. Is it important? But I've already registered and see tasks. And
Is this question started or no?
yeah, it's very at bottom.
One more time.
Let me show it.
I don't see.
Okay,
Oh.
I show it. Guys, I know that we have several cases when students enrolled for some EPAM campus programs, but please do not mix that. Rolling Scope course, it's a separate one. EPAM campus, it's another one. So if you have been enrolled for one of these courses, and it doesn't mean that you enrolled for the another one by default. So if you are there, I suppose you have been enrolled from to Rolling Scope course, and you are using the Rolling Scope's application, see some task, and you can choose what course is more applicable for your case.
Okay, and the next question. Sorry, could you please repeat where I can find the link to the first task? Thank you. All links to the all tasks you can find in the RSAP Rolling Scope School application.
You can find it via scheduler tab or via score. And we have request for separate question. If it's not mentioned about attempts in the task, it means then we give unlimited tries. Okay, guys, for the test, you have, if I'm not mistaken, 2 attempts. After that, you may proceed, try to pass the test, but you will get only half of your point. In case auto test task, you can try to pass auto test as many times as you need. It means unlimited tries. If we are talking about cross check, you should submit your task. After deadline, this link will be available for students who will check you. And pay attention. If student write some comment for your code, for your task, and you have enough time to apply this command to improve your task, and only if your if the student who make a review agree to check one more time, he may do it and increase the mark, the final result. But if the student will not have enough time, will not have desire, it, I don't know the reason, but he can't do it, it's absolutely okay. uh, you will not find any information related. You must do review again and again after each changes from the student side. Not. You shouldn't do it, but if you want, you can, please feel free. So, to summarize, for tasks, you have several attempts. For tasks that checked by auto test, as many as you want. And for tasks that checked by cross check, depend on reviewer. I hope I answered this question.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Question from the Toby Taylor. We tried to understand this question, but yeah, now the question is a little bit clearly. Will we able to see the task? I think I think it's about task. Maybe somebody tried to see task yesterday, or because we not so far we opened the access to this task. Yes, you can see task from the REST application. Anna already mentioned ways to see your task. I believe I answer this question, but if I still not, please write one more time, or you can maybe write in the Discord chat. Okay. Regarding Node.js course, unfortunately, we don't have information because the separate team is responsible for this course.
But you can share the Rolling Scopes site, courses tab, and you will find any necessary information related. You will find necessary information related to any course.
Still TBD. Still they don't have information. Okay. Okay. Maybe one more time. I have registered, but I don't see any with the course. If you have issues, try to clean cache in your browser. Maybe logout, login can help. But if you will still have issues, please write to us in Discord in private messages.
And also, I guess you should check your status. Perhaps you are inactive because last week I cleaned up a bit our student from invalid locations, and it also might be a reason why you don't see anything. Let me share the question. Is there any point in taking the course for people from location not listed in the course description? I guess there is no benefits because the student will be expelled by coordinators.
Yeah, thank you very much. Guys, this is not because we. I mean, this is because we don't have opportunities for you in these locations. So, but anyway, you can join the educational course from any locations. There are no restrictions for our educational course. Question from Slovomir.
1 second. Just for information, we have a technical problems with the registration, and when people try inputs their location, maybe I don't know. I write our administration admins for
Yeah, please let
help.
our admins know
And
about this
I'll
issue.
let you know when it's work.
Thank you.
So, as I understand, Slovomir has issue with our application, yeah? So, Slovomir, the deadline is
Till the end of this week.
Yeah.
So Sunday night.
Oh. Hi from Georgia. This is my first Mentee. It's cool to see familiar faces in the chat. Yeah, regarding issues. Yeah, we have at least 2 people with issues with our application. So
Seems to bug in our system. Okay.
So, what if I want to give up this JS FE short track and close my account on the platform? Is it possible to do it myself? Yes, of course. But I want to say that you should not give up. But if you still want, in your in RS application, in your account, I mean, if you click on your icon in the top right corner of your application, you can find a button that expel button, and you will be reassigned yourself. You will reassign yourself from this course. Why are locations limited? Anna, could you?
The list of location will be formed based on demand. So we got information related to possible demand in several locations, and based on this request from team, we created this course. So currently, it's everything on based on location demand. As soon as your location will request several juniors, we will add your location to this list for next time.
Thank you. I have Error School CV repo in my GitHub. Can I change like Error School CV1? This is about requirements to the names for repo in first and second task. So my recommendation is that new repo should be RSchool CV, and the old one you can rename to the CV1. Also, Tatiana I mean, if I take the course from different location, I will automatically be excluded from the second stage due to lack of career opportunities in my country. Or can I still complete for certificate? I think this question is about educational course, but yeah, now it is one course educational, and you can complete it. There are no location restrictions for this educational course.
I guess it was an additional information to the previous question from Tatiana. The previous was, is any point to taking the course for people from location not listed in the course description? And I guess in case you are living in locations that not listed in the course description, you will be expelled within several weeks. So you are not able to go further within this course. I know it might sound unfair, but such rules for this qualifying stage for this short track. So I guess it's better for you to join the main course, educational course, where you can get the certificate at the end of stage 2, if I'm not mistaken.
Thank you. I didn't understand correctly this question from the first time. Yeah, our qualifying stage is only for listed locations. Sorry, our qualifying stage only for listed locations, and the educational course for all locations. So, guys, looks like we answered a lot of questions. So, thank you very much for attending this session, for joining us today. We wish you good luck in your first week. Oh, we have one more questions. But how you're going to check the locations? What if I go on vacation for a month to a country, not on the list, or temporarily take the course from there? Maybe I can try. So, do, do you really want to go to the location during our course? Because we have a really tough schedule. Yeah, but yeah, I'm kidding. So guys, the in general, you have live in your location and you have a work permit in your location, in listed location. So that's our point. You can you're free to go anywhere for your vacation.
Yes, it sounds a bit strange for me. Sorry if I would sound rude, but this course aimed to help you to be prepared for the interview. For the POM company that placed in your location. And currently we know about potential position in several locations. So we shared this information with you that in location Lithuania, Poland, Armenia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Turkey, we have potential positions for juniors, and we are ready to help you to be prepared for these positions. That's why we mentioned several locations. And I can't understand what is the profit, what is the benefit to live in other location and try to learn in this course using some tricky cases, some I don't understand. Sorry.
I think that maybe it will be it may be some tricky cases, but if you
It's cheating. I understood. I remember the word.
I think it is not cheating because if somebody able to work from some location, I mean have work permit or someone something else, so why not?
It's
If
okay.
you're able,
But
if
you
you
should be able to relocate to this country because more often our customers prefer to see us in the office. So let's imagine the situation that I have passports that allow me to work on 20 locations. It's okay. But if I got the job offer from one of this location, it might be the case that I have to visit office every day in this location.
okay, thank you. One more question from Slavomir. Also, he has problems. When I was trying to register on the platform, I allowed RS School to access my GitHub account. What to do in this situation? When the problem with registering is fixed, should I allow RS School? Anna, do you remember how the our application
You
works on the
should
hood?
allow access to your GitHub account, but we promise you to not borrow any information from your GitHub.
Yeah, only for registration, I guess.
For joining a RSAP.
Yeah.
It's kind of a proxy between you and the REST application.
I forgot how this this solution, this mechanism is how you call this mechanism, but anyway.
Proxy.
Yeah.
Proxy.
No. OA US, something like that.
Yeah, kind of part of authentication.
Yeah, because there are a lot of services that provide such service. But anyway, okay. Tatiana says that she has already completed that JS ATS and React course and interested in practicing information in the current practical course. So that
sounds that Tatiana is interested in practice, but unfortunately we have a limited amount of mentors. That's why the location restriction is one of the most important for us.
Thank you. Yeah, and Slawomir, please feel free to write questions in Discord. So we will try to resolve your issue. And that's it from now. Let's try finish our session.
Hurry up until the next question.
Yeah. Thank you very much for joining, for watching our stream, and good luck during the next week with your task. Thank you very much, and bye.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.